Morning, everybody. Another day in paradise. That little gate action here of our side clip is gone. It's over here. It's gonna be a busy day. I guess it's haircut day down here. But I'm trying to get this thing put back together. Here, I've had people in and out all day. How's the ice cream? Okay? Good deal. Right. I'm off to Lowe's. You see, guys, it's always really heartbreaking down here, especially to see the young people that get racked up with life on the streets and stuff like that. It's really saddens me. And the gal about 18, 19 came up, and Father said, "What can I do for you?" And she said, "I want some ice cream." Just like that, the ice cream appeared, and it made her whole day. It's amazing how the simple things in life can mean so much to somebody at that moment in time, especially somebody that is all balled up with drugs and things and has a real opportunity to get somebody to express as a little bit of love. So she's sitting there enjoying her ice cream. So I have to go down and get some, pick up a few things to fix up the gates. And then I'm going to try to move ahead and get the LED, get the fluorescents converted over to LEDs. Which, if you know anything about fluorescents, they have starters and ballast. Sometimes they have starters and things. The more modern ones probably just have ballast. But I have to direct wire these lights and cut that out of the circuit, so it's going to take a little bit of effort today. I didn't expect this to be happening this morning, but luckily the Lowe's is only about a mile away. I just head right down Fremont Street, make a left on Charleston, and it is right there. So I'm going to pick up a few things. I'll see you guys in a bit. Some of the letters had popped down here, so I'm just using a little bit of spray adhesive, but I'm really impressed that the board is held up pretty well. So I'm just going to proof it a little bit here, make sure we're still pretty much good to go. I think these help hold the plastic in here. So I think if stuff looks good, people's general reaction is just to kind of stay away from it. But once it starts to get trashed, then you got big problems. So all right, down here, the gate is also fixed. This guy's a nice seminarian here, giving the haircut, but this is all replaced now, the gate, so that's good. Got that done. Everybody's got a story down here. That's nice to be able to give a little bit, but I think that's looking pretty sharp still. I'm happy. Let's say a prayer she hangs together. My guy's starting to rewire for the LEDs now. I'm having to cut the ballast out of the circuit. Right up here. Onward. There's the first unit all rewired. I think it looks pretty good. I think 2 bulbs gives the same light as all the old fluorescents. So on to fixture number 2. Some of my old pals here. Oof. These get a little more complicated, these double ballast. This is really old school. You needed 1 ballast for every 2 bulbs. Pretty wild. Okay, there's number 2. Don't worry about the wiring. I'm going to neaten it up in a bit. Remember, the boss watches these videos. He would have a conniption. Alright, there's number 2. Double ballast. Just my luck. Pain in the butt. Alright guys, time to call it. Every one of these had to be rewired. Some of them have the dual ballast, which is really a pain. I finished up over here. Tomorrow I want to come back and tape all the connections. I taped them here so we'd be good to go for tomorrow, but my legs were starting to cramp up. So, yeah, another day.